My name is Dr. Stewart and this is Dr. Lucene. We're going to educate you a little bit about the cat. First, we're going to start off with the heart. This right here is the heart. The outer layer of the heart is called the pericardium. This right here, the two lobes on the heart, the right and the left auricles. As you can see, the heart is separated. This is the right atrium. This is the right ventricle. This is the left atrium. This is the left ventricle. As you can see, the left ventricle is a lot more muscular than the right side because it pumps blood throughout the body. This right here is the septum that separates the heart. Now we're going to go to the diaphragm. This tissue right here, this muscle right here is the diaphragm. Separate the abdominal cavity and the thoracic cavity. Then we go to the lungs. This right here is the lungs. The right side, it have different lobes. 1, 2, 3 lobes on the right side. 1, 2, 3 lobes on the left side. This lobe right here is also the lung. It's in the middle of the cat. We as humans, we don't have it. This is the lobe that we don't have that the cat has. This right here is the trachea. As you can see, the C-shaped cartilage right here, which causes it to expand when food's going down. Right here. And this right here is the esophagus in the back of the trachea. This right here is the larynx, this part right here. And this is the opening of the esophagus right here. This opening of the trachea. As you can see, by the opening of the trachea, you have something that looks like a tongue, which is called the epiglottis. Then we move down to the digestive system. First we start off with this fatty layer right here. This is called the great omentum. Then we go to the largest organ in the body, which is called the liver, and this is right here. It's called the liver. You can see the different lobes. 1, 2, 3 different lobes. And right there, this is known as the gallbladder, which is, you can see it's right on the liver. It's green. It's not really blood right now, but this way it is right here. Next is the spleen. On the left side of the body, close to the stomach, right here is the spleen. As you can see right here. Then it's the pancreas, which is on the other side of the body, which is right here. The pancreas. As you can see, this is starting by the small intestines, what is also known as the duodenum. This right here is the pancreas. The stomach is right here. It has nothing in it, but you can see this, the stomach right here. And the stomach leads to the small intestine. This is the pylorus. Then the pylorus sphincter, which is the valve that separates the stomach and the small intestines. And this part of the small intestine is called the duodenum. The first part, which then leads up to the jejunum, and then goes to the last part of the small intestine, what is called the ileum. And then we go to the ileocecal valve, which is right here that separates the large intestines and the small intestines. This part is called the cecum right here. The large intestine goes up to the ascending colon, goes to the transverse colon, goes down to the descending colon. And this right here, connective tissue, right here that have blood vessel and capillaries in it. This is called the mesentery, right here. This holds all the small intestines together. Then the urinary part. This right here is the kidney. It's already been cut. This is the kidney right here. The outer part is called the cortex. The inner part, you can see, you can't really see, but inner part called medulla. It have like pyramids in it, but you can't really see it. And then this tube right here that takes urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder is called a ureter. You can see it's this right here, and it carries urine from the kidney down to the urinary bladder, which is right here. And that's what stores the urine. And that sums up our presentation.